To switch on the X-am 2500, press and hold the OK key for 3 seconds. A countdown is shown in the display. The LEDs flash and the vibration alarm vibrates to show that the device has been switched on. The instrument starts the boot sequence and performs an automatic self-test. The self-test screen shows the installed software version, the special symbols, the number of days until calibration is next due, the alarm thresholds, the TWA and STEL alarm thresholds. To switch off the Dräger X-am 2500, press and hold the OK key and the plus key together for 3 seconds. The visual alarm flashes and the audible alarm beeps to indicate that the shutdown sequence is complete. Fresh air calibration sets the oxygen channel to 20.9% by volume and the sensors to 0. Make sure you are in an area of clean air during fresh air calibration. Press the plus key briefly 3 times. This symbol appears. Press the OK key to activate fresh air calibration. The flashing numbers show the actual values. Press the OK key. OK is shown in the display. Fresh air calibration is now complete.